Hello, Kinder 4. How are you today?
I am fine.
Today we are going to learn about animals. Look, I have a pet. It is a dog. I have a pet. It is a cat. I have a pet. It is a fish. I have a pet. It is a bird. Now we are going to see some farm animals. Look, it is a horse. It is a horse. It is a duck. It is a duck. It is a cow. It is a cow. It is a rabbit. It is a rabbit. It is a sheep. It is a sheep. It is a pig. It is a pig.